Oh, no, wait. Is it? Yeah.
I'm famous. I shot you in the foot.
I know. I shot you in the foot.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Is that recording?
Yeah. Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
I want to run for that building straight away, but some Donny's going to go there because the same thing happens every time. Someone goes there. Yeah, someone goes there, so when you're running to that building, you just get fucking sprayed by that guy.
I need a barrel extension. I want to fit my wolf to my gun. What's the game plan here?
Run at the fucking buildings and don't get shot.
I have a grenade.
Don't use it. Not for this game. It's going to be such a waste.
About what?
Oh, fucking hell, Aiden. Oh, hit. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, hit. Oh, hit. Stop fucking shooting me and kill this. Oh. Hit. Oh, we're dead.
I'm being
Oh, fucking hell. Whoa. Careful. Oh, fuck. Oh, hit. Oh, fucking hell. Oh. Oh. Fuck. I'm keep on getting shot by both sides and watch fucking fire. Don't shoot me in the back of the head. I'm hitting. I'm hitting. Now I'm how? Shoot me in the back. Not of the head.
Hit! Sarah!
Hit.
What damage is there?
Hit. Shoot me in the arm. Oh. Mate, I've taken it. I want to get Kevin, but I know someone's camping him. Another one down, another one down.
Kevin, where are you?
He's in there, he's in village centre. He's dead. Fuck me. Shoot this guy in, shoot this guy in. Oh. Careful. Go in. No one. Wait, I don't know. I don't know about the other guy. They're sitting behind the bush, but we got better cover. Shoot him back in, shoot him back in. The guy's behind me dead.
Yeah.
Oh. Son of a bitch. Sorry. Ah, hit. Fucking hell. I'm dead. Shoot him back in. Oh, you cunt. Oh. Hit. Shoot me in plate carrier. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh. Will someone shoot me in plate carrier? Run. Plate carrier, please. Thank you. Come on, guys, push up.
Okay. Oh, God, so close. Hit. Sorry. Hit.
Oh, fucking hell. Oh. Hit. Ryan, back me it. Fucking hell, that AOP 01 hurts. Ryan, watch the window for Aiden. Fucking hell. Yeah, I know. Careful, that guy dead.
Hit. Okay.
Shoot him back in. Yo, guy in this building, are you alive?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet.
Oh, you hit.
Careful. Ah, hit! Ryan, shoot him back in. Play carrier. Oh, fuck! I was shot back out. Shoot me in. Play carrier.
Where's Kevin?
He's in village.
He's in the centre of the village right now.
Yeah, because he pushed right in, so he got stuck in there.
Can I get you, yeah?
Yeah.
Careful, kid. I don't know if you're a kid, sorry.
Sorry.
You can't push in.
It's because I'm looking at a kid on the other team.
Oh, got me right in the belly button.
I know, mate, I've been fucking pelted everywhere right
Is
now.
it clear in front of us or no?
I don't know, but these guys are pushing everywhere.
Hit.
Shoot that guy back in.
I'll hit.
Bang! Come on, fucking...
Can we go that way?
Luke, are you dead?
Tyrion, can we go?
Which way?
That way.
We can go any way, just as long as we kill these guys.
Is it clear in front of us?
I don't know, because these guys are hiding in buildings and in bushes. Harry's pushing up on your side, Luke, careful. Kevin, are you alive? Who the fuck's shooting? Yo!
I was making sure I didn't hit you anywhere else.
Huh? Oh, sorry, mate. Whoa, fucking hell. Is that you?
No, that means more going for the head.
Luke, I'll get you in a second, lad. Just a little preoccupied. Oh, hit! Hit! Back in!
Thanks.
Man, I've almost blown through a 900 round mag.
We need to try and get to Kevin.
Hello, Aiden.
Where's Aiden?
In that building, like in front of this one, I think.
Help if you were firing something.
Huh?
Try firing.
What?
Behind you on the side.
No, I'm not.
Anyone round
Come on, can our guys push up? Fucking hell. Careful, careful, Luke, Ryan. Shit! Careful, careful, careful. Careful, mate, careful, you're in the open. Luke, you... Fuck. You good? Oh, fuck, that dry fired, but okay. You just got hit out. You just got hit out. You're in. You're in. Careful in this building. In this building. Careful. Oh, are you dead? Yeah. Oh, well, I can't fucking see you. Careful, Ryan. You're in. You're in. You're in. Oh fuck! I'm dry firing.
I need to push out.
Oh, fuck. I don't know. Wait.
Where's Luke?
I'm fucking dry fire. Oh fuck! I can't go almost. Fucking hell! Hit! 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 Shoot me in. Fucking hell! No, but this is such a close quarters battle.
We need to move.
I know, but I'm running low on ammo.
Where's Luke?
Luke, I shot you back in. It hit your plate carrier. Yeah.
Oh, hit.
Yo. Oh, you not. You're in.
Tim, can you push? Tim, can you push up? Do you think you can push?
We need everyone else to
Is that
push.
friendly over there?
I don't know. Oh, fuck, hit! Get me in, get me in, get me in. Are you friendly? Hit! Get me back in.
Go.
Oh, hit!
Luke. Go.
Ah, hit! Fucking hell!
Go, 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 go.
I can't, I'm being pre-aimed. Oh, hit. Oh, let me shoot you. Oh, you fucking... Sorry! You bastard! I don't get many options! Ah, hit! Fucking hell! Oh!
Go on, back in, you back in.
Yo, yo, deal with this guy! Full black behind that tree! They're gonna push us, they're gonna push us. Watch that window! 3, 2, 1. Ah, hit! Fucking hell! Careful, watch that window. Hit! We traded, GG! Get me in.